everyone. Today we're going to discuss how to use the mobile application if you are a portable toilet company that is also going to be using the QR code system. So the first thing that we need to do is sign into the mobile application here. I'm going to input my credentials, which, by the way, are case sensitive. So we'll go ahead and sign in. That'll bring us to our home screen. And as you can see, under today's stops, I have a few stops populated here for John Doe, China Delight, and Alfonso's Pizza. Now, any stops that are assigned to the user that is signed into the mobile application for today's date would show up on this home screen. A user can view their entire route schedule by clicking the Routes button and then selecting Schedule. That'll open up the route schedule here on the mobile application. From there, we can select the date that we are providing services for. I'm going to go ahead and select April 10th. And this is going to give us a little bit more information about what we're actually doing for each stop. So right here, the first stop says John Doe, and we can see it's assigned to Joe. That is the username that I am signed into the mobile application with. The frequency is pickup, and we discussed in a previous video how to add pickup and delivery stops to the schedule. So you can absolutely go back, revisit that video if you need some more information on that. The stop number, this is stop number 1. Of course, the day that this is occurring, today's a Wednesday. And then also some notes that correspond to that route stop. Now, I mentioned in a previous video, when you add a route stop to your route schedule in the desktop software from a rental transaction, it's going to pre-populate the route notes with some information from that transaction. So the first thing that we see here is the invoice number or rental transaction number. We also see the line items that are contained within that rental transaction. So as you can see, I have a portable toilet, which the description here is a monthly portable toilet rental with services. I also see the number 1004. That's the serial number for that unit. And then the number 1 represents the quantity. That's why we're seeing the number 1 there. So as you can see, by creating a pickup and delivery frequency, we can view those pickups and deliveries on the schedule in addition to our weekly services. So our second stop here is China Delight, which is for a weekly service. At this point, if you're using the QR code system, your technician will arrive to John Doe's residence, and he will then scan the QR code and then select one of 3 options: delivery, pickup, or service, to provide the service for that customer. And we're going to talk about that in a video that you can watch following this video, and that's going to provide us with a little bit more information on, how we scan a QR code and then which option we need to select based on the scenario. This video here is just to show us how to get to our schedule so that we know which stops we need to handle for the day and which QR codes we need to scan.